Hey guys, welcome to Naukri Finder. Before starting today's video, I want to make an announcement for all of you. Firstly, thanks to all who has joined Naukri Finders and became the part of our family. Today we are 500 members strong. So on this auspicious moment, we are going to hold a small giveaway contest where you had to do a small favor. Just comment down your thoughts about the channel or about the video down here and also follow us on Instagram. The best two comments will win rupees 500. And one thing that I want to tell you, please don't share your personal details in the comment section. Whichever comment we will choose, will definitely reply them and will tell them what to do the next. And yes, our Instagram account is mentioned in the description. The result of this giveaway will be on 10th of July 2021. So talking about today's video, this video contains multiple vacancies. The first one is medical transcription data entry operator. Second one is Excel numeric digits entry. Third one is digital parts form filling, which is also known as copy paste job. Then fourth one is USA Edu survey form filling copy paste, and handwriting form filling is the last one, which is the fifth one. So I want to tell you that if you are from this country, whichever location you are from, you can apply for this location for this job because this is the work from home opportunity, and the company which I'm sharing is very genuine and trusted. This company is government approved, and I want to tell you everything in detail. So keep on watching till the end. You will get to know everything regarding the company, vacancies, number of position, and all. So before going on that, if you had not subscribed our channel till now, please subscribe and hit the bell icon. So let's start. So talking about the company, it is known as Minanshika Softtech Solution Private Limited. So Minanshika Softtech Solution Private Limited is a premier name in outsourcing service providers scanning across the globe in multitude industries and countries. This this company is ISO certified company, which is a service provider, and they are proficient in services like debt recovery services, accounting and bookkeeping, call center services, and healthcare BPO services. So they hold the prowess to handle industries like telecom, automotive, healthcare, e-commerce, travel and hospitality, logistics and transportation, banking and financial utility, and publishing sector. As I told you earlier, that this company is registered under the Government of India Ministry of Corporate Affairs. So this company is very genuine and trusted. So talking about the vacancies, so the first vacancies here it is medical transcription data entry operator. So this project is based on the medical content which is given in the form of images, files is specified in specified software of company. User has to install the software in his or her laptop or desktop. So for this position, you had uh, that laptop or desktop. So company provides license number to activate the software. There are 200 pages of A4 size in a project. They are 55 to 60 lines a page. So the your role is very simple in this company, that in this particular job. So you had to write 200 pages in their data format, and this 200 pages may be of 55 to 60 lines each, and you have to write in A4 size of paper. So and you have to just submit it, or you have to post at their address. So no target based job is here. The salary is very attractive here, which is 10,000 to 80,000 rupees per month. So I hope that you get to know everything regarding this particular position. Laptop or desktop is mandatory for you. And the second thing is you had to write 200 pages on A4 size of paper. So the next position is Excel numeric digits entry. This project is based on the business application of company. IDs are numeric or digital based only. No alphabets, no face, and no symbols would be there. So you had to work on IDs on numerical basis only. So uh, there are 15 columns in a row. Data provided in form of images file has to be entered in the Excel sheet. So they will provide you data in the form of PDF file or image file. You had to write that data in the Excel sheet of the software provided by company. So obviously the company will also provide you the software, and your salary is also 10,000 to 80,000 per month. This job is very, very, very simple. Anyone can apply for this particular role. So I want to tell you one thing, that if you are 10th pass or 12th pass, or if you are a graduate also, you can apply for this particular role. No graduation is required here. So anyone can apply for this particular role. This job is basically a part-time job, and if you want to convert into the full-time, they can also. So this is 2 month job and 30 vacancies are there. So very limited vacancies are there. You have to apply as soon as possible. So talking about the third job is digital parts form filling, which is a copy paste job. Again, a very simple job is there. So talking about the project, it is based on the information of parts of electronics items. There are 12 boxes in a form. You had to just copy paste the content. Can be done in the seven boxes which are common for all the forms. So the data has to be entered into the software provided by company. It has no target. You had to just copy the item from that boxes and paste it to the other box. They will tell you everything regarding this particular role. You don't have to take any type of tension regarding this job. So the salary here is 10,000 to 50,000 per month, and this is also 2 month project, and the vacancies are 10. Very limited vacancies are there. You have to apply ASAP. Okay. The fourth role is USA Edu Survey form filling. This job is also a form filling job, that is copy paste job. Candidate has to keep record of the survey data related to education in customized software of the company. Out of 20 boxes, 5 boxes are copy paste box and 15 boxes are of typing. So they are telling that they will provide you 20 boxes. 5 boxes are of obviously copy paste and 15 are of typing. So you have to they will send that boxes obviously to your address, and after writing that you have to resubmit them on the address. They will provide you money, they will provide you exemption for that, they will provide you everything regarding the particular work. So salary is 10,000 to 60,000 per month. And the salary here is very attractive. Talking about the key skills, uh, you have to know that about the Excel, how to write worksheet, how to enter the data, basically data entry work. uh, those things are required in a data entry. You have to know about that. So the fifth and the last position here is handwriting form filling. Student details and along with the blank forms are given to you through courier or post office to fill up those forms. After completing the given work, candidate has to send to our office address. So as I told you earlier, that you have to take the delivery of that particular boxes and resubmit after working on that. So your salary for doing this work, your salary is rupees 10,000 to 1,20,000 rupees per month. Such a big amount they are giving for just copy paste. So that's it for today's video. So if you like our video, don't forget to share with your friends, subscribe our channel, don't forget to hit the bell icon for more job updates, and do follow us on Instagram. Our Instagram handle is Naukri Finders. The link is mentioned in the description box as well. And don't forget to take the part in giveaway contest. Thank you and have a nice day.